Hey, ever wonder why some YouTube channels blow up while others struggle to get views? Well, it's not just luck. A lot of beginners make the same mistakes that can hold them back. So today, we're breaking down 5 big mistakes new YouTubers make and how you can avoid them. Let's jump in. All right, mistake number 1, overthinking. You spend weeks picking the perfect channel name. You tweak your banner 100 times. You watch a ton of tutorials but never hit record. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Your first videos won't be perfect, and that's okay. The only way to improve is to start. Hit record. Post the video. Learn as you go. Next up, chasing viral trends. We've all seen those crazy viral videos. And yeah, jumping on trends can work, but it's not a long-term strategy. If you're just copying what's popular, your audience won't stick around. Instead, ask yourself, what value can I bring? Focus on content that helps, entertains, or teaches people, something that makes them want to come back for more. Now let's talk about thumbnails and titles. Imagine scrolling through YouTube. What makes you click a video? The title and thumbnail, right? Yet so many new YouTubers throw together a basic title and hope for the best. Big mistake. Your thumbnail should pop. Your title should spark curiosity. If no one clicks, no one watches. Simple as that. Here's a tough one. Expecting fast results. You post a few videos, barely any views, and it's frustrating. But YouTube takes time. Most channels don't blow up overnight. Success comes from consistency. Instead of stressing over numbers, focus on improving each video. Small progress adds up. And finally, boring intros. If your first 10 seconds are slow, people leave. It's harsh, but true. So skip the long greetings. Get straight to the point. Ask a question. Tease what's coming, or make a bold statement. Whatever you do, hook them fast. All right, quick recap. Don't overthink, just start. Focus on value, not just trends. Make your thumbnails and titles click-worthy. Stay patient. Growth takes time. Hook viewers fast or they're gone. Now, here's your challenge. Pick one of these mistakes and fix it in your next video. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if this helped, hit that like button. All right, now that you know what mistakes to avoid, how do you actually grow? If you're serious about getting your first 1,000 subscribers fast, you don't want to miss the next video. I'll break down the exact steps to go from 0 to 1,000 without wasting time on things that don't work. So click here to watch it now.